Matt had an idea. Probably the impact. Those things have been on since '84. So I tasked Matthew with the task of taking his cab jack off. I want the extra clearance to roll the transmission through here. Matt had an idea rather than complete removal, so I'll let him do it and show you guys.
So my idea was, since there used to be bolts here, 1, 2, 3, that if I take these two off, these bottom two, and loosen this top one, then I can hinge it from here like this, from this top bolt, making it a little bit smoother so it's up against the exhaust pipe that's above that you guys cannot see.
The other scary thought is if I were buying an APU, right here's where it's going to bolt onto.
What?
If I were buying an APU, it's got to bolt on right here. So get the transmission out again, whatever, would be a little bit of a pain.
Who needs a cab jack anyway? Got
Mike, you got to take the bolt out.
Yep. It's also there for support.
See, my thought was hold it up and then tighten the top bolt.
Oh yeah, that could work too.
Gets it almost completely out of the way. That ought to work. Just hold it up and tighten that bolt. Now Nate said this thing's set up exactly for this transmission. So all you got to do is hook it to it, run a strap on it, and then you're done. What Nate was explaining. Go to the front of the transmission. See how that angle, there's an angle piece on it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Make sure it lines up. You should see that it works good with where it sits.
Yeah.
So help it line up.
Oh, okay. I see where it would go. Hold on. Move. Okay. All right, pump. Okay.
All right. Give me. Is that good?
Yeah.
I have weight on it, so.
I believe that's where it should be at least.
All right, let me look.
That's what it seems.
Yeah, it looks right. I'd say so. All right, let me get a strap. Doing a motorcycle straps.
Strap this side down first.
I'm setting the hook down on the driver's side.
Oh, which part?
The hook. This is
Ratchet side hook or strap?
obviously the strap.
Okay. Probably should want to know the other side.
Decides to work right.
Hey, what's this?
That's what?
There's the thing on the front of the bell housing. Or is this not the...
That stays.
That stays?
It's on the engine adapter.
Oh, okay.
And that's for the tachometer.
Oh, okay.
Here comes the hook.
Okay.
Put it underneath that plate and send it up to me. Up here.
15/16.
Well, it's almost one. Okay.
Lucky guess. I'm like, that's got to be at least one.
Underneath.
Okay. What size is it for the bell housing bolts?
5/8. All right, that's tight. You're not fully, your button's not fully pressed.
Ow.
If it breaks, it breaks.
Yeah, but it's hurting my hand. I cannot hold that long.
I can't reach it, so.
That just rattles my bones.
Pinch it against itself. On the other side of the bracket.
Nope. I was trying to pinch it like you said.
Spinning, or is it just shaking?
It's just not doing anything. Do you need these in the future, or can you?
I can get new ones, but if you gotta get, I don't really want to take the blowtorch over here.
I was gonna say it can't be stuck if it's liquid, but if that's not an option,
it is an option. I just don't want.
It's not.
Lay into it. Doing shit. Try the other one. Probably gonna get the same results. All you're doing is wiggling the bolt, not wig. Pry it up.
Nope, that's just eating right into my hand. Liquid?
Liquid.
All right. Do you want to cut the spring so it doesn't launch as soon as it...
Nope.
Oh, you're trying to save the spring?
There you go. Can't be stuck if you're liquid.
Amen to that. Here, I could probably. What?
Oh man, I can't get all of them with the impact for sure. I can only get the bottom two.
Oh.
Need to ratchet.
more are there?
A couple more on the other side, and I got 2 over here.
So most likely 2 on that side.
Yeah. These I can spin by ratchet. Go on the other side, you can get the other 2.
Goose is a goose. Hopefully.
Hopefully. All right, go crawl underneath behind the trans jack. You're gonna have to work the handle and the whole deal.
So I gotta jerk the trans jack.
Yeah, you could do the jerking and herking, and I'll do the guiding and supervising.
Sure. Hey, you want to check the positioning? Make sure it's still in the right spot.
Couldn't move far. Strap to it tightly. It's going.
Yeah, I'm pulling.
Lift up. Stop. Pull back. Stop.
It's going. There's like a group of hosings you gotta lift up on.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the drive shaft.
Don't step on my face, please. Okay.
Stand by.
I'm ready to pull back.
Okay, pull her back. Caught myself. Stop.
Oh, stop. Lower.
A little bit. Stop.
Stop.
Go up a little.
Up a little.
Sorry. Let it down a little.
Down a little.
Stop.
Stop.
Pull back.
Pull back.
Input shaft is still in the clutch a little. Pull back some more. Stop.
Stop.
Lower down a little.
Down a little.
Back up a little. All right, as far as you go. We're clear. Bring it down. Nice and easy.
It's caught on hoses. I need you to get down and
I can't
clear
see. What's it caught on?
The group of hoses, they like sloop down and you gotta push them to the left.
What, here?
Yes.
I don't see it caught on anything.
It looks like it's gonna snag.
Well, let it touch it before you...
Alright, it's gone.
Alright, let me move the GoPro.
Okay.
Before we pinch it and crush it.
I should also...
What? Dude, I'm gonna beat the piss out of you. To your mouth. Even in fact I edit you out, people still comment. Hey. Stop for a minute.
Wrong way.
Sorry. Mouth. All right, Matt, let's see if our idea of moving the cab jack worked. Looks like, it worked good. Push her forward. I noticed slag on the ground, it didn't help.
That's fuel tank.
Okay, bring it towards.
It's all you now.
Yep. I got her.
Hold on. Help me out real quick. I'm right behind you.
You got blood on your hands now.
Do I?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm surprised I got out one day.
I wasn't. I bring the ass in that way. Oh, caught you. Must be up there. Ow. All right, out we go. Trans jack didn't seem, wait. Didn't think you needed such a big transmission jack until you see it. Big one on there.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Steering ain't easy, is it?
No, because it's 4-wheel steer.
Yep. Hooks on everything. Alrighty, boys and girls, there it is. There's the transmission. This is a 13-speed Eaton Fuller 146/13. I've yet to decide where it's going to go yet because today's Sunday, tomorrow's Monday. I've yet to hear back. I'm trying to do a product placement with one of the places, if not both, and I haven't heard back yet. So tomorrow, I guess I'll be figuring out where this is going. We still have yet to take the clutch off and pull the flywheel and send that out to get machined. So with that, we're going to call it a day. There it is. Good job. That transmission jack seemed awful big until you put a trans on it, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Now there's a transmission and then there's
The transmission
that.
jack.
Considering what we just did yours in your truck.
Baby.
Right.
Baby.
Yeah, I don't know what these weigh. I think they're close to 800 pounds, 900 pounds, somewhere in that range. Almost 1,000. Either way. Look at the size of the input shaft.
Yeah.
I mean, damn.
That's big.
So see here, I'll show you. We'll show the people on YouTube land too. But my son didn't quite understand what worked. Oof, look at that. There ain't nothing left of it. If ever there was.
What is that? Here.
It's all greasy. Let me zoom in so I see. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to get and show you real quick how this works because Matt didn't really understand how it works. Your throwout bearing actually hooks in here. And when you step on your clutch, it pulls it away from the engine. Unlike when on your truck, or your pickup truck, when you step on a clutch, you push towards the engine. On this, you pull it away. You take that piece and you push it into this. This is called a clutch brake. See this piece here? What it does is it locks into that spline so it doesn't turn. So what you do is when you push it, you take it and you smash it against this disc.
Okay. And
smash that disc between the throwout bearing and the transmission's case.
Okay.
And that stops the input shaft from spinning. You're trying to stop this spinny piece, which, see, it's moving. That spins with your input shaft.
Okay.
See? You're trying to stop it from spinning. This is the disposable, wear-outable part called the clutch brake.
Okay.
Although this, I've never seen a clutch brake like this. Look at this. It's a two-piece, but it's like you have to put it together. Usually, I don't think I've ever seen one. I've never seen one like that. Maybe you guys have. Obviously, it's quite greasy and nasty. But see, that's the tangs that stop the input shaft from spinning. That's how that works. I'll go ahead and show them the clutch, but I just wanted to give you guys a basic on that really fast. So we're done for today. I'm gonna show them this clutch real fast, and we're going home. Guys, remember, check out that merch like I spoke about earlier in the video. All right, we're out. Kill the light.